Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing for Owl Post Books. This is a monthly subscription box for children. They do have different age groups from newborns up to 12 years old, and each box contains at least 3 books, a toy, a card, and it says an interactive artist created box. So, as it took me a moment to realize this, but I am obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. That's what Raylan's first birthday party is going to be. And I just started recording this on my first take, and I noticed this. I was like, oh my gosh, that's Alice in Wonderland. And then I started noticing everything else, and I had just like a fangirl moment, started screaming. So I had to redo it because it sounded crazy. But I am so excited. So, that's a really cool box. But this one is supposed to be themed with Halloween books. So right on top it says, get spooky with Owl Post Books. Enjoy your Halloween themed subscription. Don't forget to refer a friend to get discounts on your next box. And this is actually, this box is geared towards a 5-year-old. So I have Jackson here with me. Want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you want to open this? This is cute. It's like colorful little confetti. Here, let's scoop that to the side. You want to, yeah, there we go.
Oh, I always wanted this book.
You always wanted that book.
Yeah.
They read that, what, in pre-K? Pete the Cat? And this is a Halloween one. So he's very excited for that. Loves Pete the Cat.
Yes.
This is a nice book. I know. We actually had a Scholastic order that we put in, and he was upset that I didn't let him get Pete the Cat because he had already ordered some other ones. So now he has a pumpkin one. Very cute. What else did we get? Grimelda, a very messy witch. That one would be new to us, huh? We do like witches, though. It's a kitty in there.
Well, this one has
that looks pretty cute. Yeah, that one does. Well, it's a frog with a witch hat, but yeah. How cool.
Okay.
Ooh.
Guys, our other books better left above.
Yeah, you want to pick out this first? It looks like this is our little interactive thing. Let's take that out and see what it is. Oh, that's cute. You can poke out the little eyes, and there's a little thing on there for string. You can make a little mask. Look at that. We can make a mask, and then you have these foam little stickers. There's little spiders. They can't see you. He just had it on his face trying to show you guys. And then we have some letters. Oh, that's cool. I'll let you decorate it, and then I'll insert a picture at the end so that they can see what you made. He's very much so into crafty stuff now. Never cared about it until kindergarten. Oh, I love you more than the smell of swamp gas. Isn't that cute? This is so cute. When he was little, someone gave him a book that is I Love You as Big as the World, I think it's called. And he used to love that one.
I still love it.
You do still love it. We refound it once we dug out some books for when Raylan was born. How cute. These look like good ones. Do you like the Halloween theme? I think that's cool if they have themed months like that. All right. So those are the books we got, which is good because we only have like 2 Halloween books. So he's excited for that. And of course, Pete the Cat. That's a favorite. So I'm going to let him put on the mask and decorate it, and then I'll insert a picture of what that looks like. But if you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.